under the ones that's at the app that's open.
No, it's still standing still.
Okay.
Is that the middle road?
Please get a hold of Michael or so. Okay, just hy moet vir ons daai unit net check. Alles fyn is. En hy vertel ons hy update nog. Alles is goed.
Ja. Online 7 seconds ago, last update. That's fine.
Okay. Ja.
Stolen from where?
From their property.
So is any of the other cars missing?
They've got 2 vehicles.
Yeah.
Okay. En hulle gegeit.
Sweet bros.
See on a call that came in, eh? On the other phone.
Yeah.
See if he records his cell phone number and find out if any of the other vehicles were taken as well. There's 2 vehicles there.
Overly work.
Ja.
Shamir.
Phony.
Ja.
Kijk, answer.
How's it, Shamir? Good, it's Frederick Anton's lightning. Good on you. Or did they take another vehicle of yours too? Yes, okay. Alright, the vehicle we tracking is the Polo.
No, not the Polo, the VW, the VW.
Oh, it's a VW transport. Alright, sorry, then I read wrong. Alright, well, we are 5Ks from the vehicle. Yes. Alright. Perfect. I'll phone you as soon as we get there. Perfect. Thanks, Ramir. Bye.
Wat sê jy het nog nie geval?
No, it's the bucky and they filled out it with a lot of stuff from the office.
The buggy.
Or the what's his name?
The transporter.
They filled it with a lot of stuff from the office. And the loop, would it take the loop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How far?
900 meters. There under the bridge. You got space to come from here.
You have to take the loop.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, there's a section at the bottom we go to just keep on going left with it.
But we're supposed to go that way.
Yeah. Now go here, this one. No, straight through, straight. And then this one here, yes.
Okay.
We need to go down 2 floors.
Okay, I know where we are now.
Okay, then there's going to be a left here in front.
That's
Left
right.
here. Right here. Yeah, left here. Clear.
Okay. Yeah, this is on
Straight
this
through.
road.
Yeah, straight
Oh,
through on
this
this
is-
road. 1.6 k's from target. Well, there's still going to be one more right.
Okay.
just loop to the left, turn right. 350 meters.
Hier is 'n kaartjie van. Ek ken hierdie pad so goed nie.
Ja. Right here.
Right
here. First one left. And then vehicles just down the road.
Ons lig is af. Left ja.
Yeah.
Switch off this little thing for me. What's that? Somewhere down here.
Okay, vehicles on the left incoming. Yeah, somewhere.
Goed, ja. Op die bos toe, edit.
There
Say.
So why is there a truck here?
So that is it. Ja, transporter.
Okay, lights on.
Agter is.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Using sophisticated ANPR technology, supported by an in-house development team, coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, snipr continues to break the mold and set the benchmark in vehicle recovery, ultimately making our communities safer every day. Our process is as follows. Camera. All number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced with numerous national databases. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert in real time with our 24-hour validation center. Lights. The alert comes through on our live feed and is validated by one of our dedicated dispatchers. A map showing the vehicle's estimated travel distance is generated. Our dispatcher leaves feedback on the snipr system and contacts the necessary role players. Action. If a vehicle is confirmed as positive, a recovery is actioned. The nearest responder receives the information and moves to intercept the vehicle. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended.
snipr essentially has got three components to it. We're about identifying vehicles through their license plate numbers. We're about verifying that vehicle, making sure that it is still positive and sought after. And then thirdly, we're about notifying, getting the information out to the relevant authorities.
Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the snipr team for more information.